This is the Theta camera, and you can see here the on button. You just press it once and the screen will be illuminated, and that's the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth button, camera or video option, and then there's a menu button. And when you switch it on and you get the app on your phone, you press the button and it will show a connection, and it ought to connect, find the Wi-Fi and connect it. You might need to disconnect your computer, disconnect this from the internet Wi-Fi. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to find it, and then you need to press the Wi-Fi button to see whether it works. And once it is connected, it might take a little bit of time. It doesn't always find it straight away. Sometimes it does, which is great. But this is what it's called. So you see it's connected, and this is how you see what it sees. So there's a camera, takes a shot that way, takes a shot that way, and what you see is on your screen in flat. So I always say this is the front with the no information screen, because as you can see from the camera, the front, the middle is what it sees. So this is facing the laptop at the moment, is now facing the window, so that's the central image, and the rest kind of, I sort of like to say, unfolds that way, so it's flat. So if you're outside taking a central shot, that'll be the middle of the picture, and when you go inside, make sure it's facing the same direction. So if it's north, make sure all the photos you take are facing north. If you go to the left, you know, or right into a different room, always just face it in the same direction. It makes it easier to have the walk-through tour. So as you can see the image, that you don't really need to mess around with settings on here, but what tends to happen is sometimes you need to change this number here, which is the balance of the white, or white balance I think it's called. So sometimes the image is a bit yellowy, so you just need to select a kind of an option. I think the lower it is, I think is kind of gets less yellow or gets whiter or lighter as you go through the higher numbers. So you just need to take an image and have a look for yourself. I think sometimes it looks more natural on a different setting. So you just need to mess around, and then when you're ready, when you're happy where where it is, and this obviously should be in the tripod, get out of the frame, hide somewhere or go out of the room, and you can see what you're looking at, and then just press the button and it'll take the picture. So it'll take the picture, transfer it from here to your phone, and wherever you are, however you save it, then you just transfer it to the directory. So it's on your phone. This is what it looks like on the phone. And when you're finished, just turn it off and it'll get disconnected.